Hi, are you getting ready to take the Praxis Elementary Education exam? That's exam code 5003, a subtest that covers math. Well, my name's Anjali Couture, and I'm a test prep expert here at study.com. And in today's video, we're going to be covering some sample problems from the measurement and data section of that exam. So let's get started. All right, our first question reads, a dumbbell in a gym has a mass of 45 pounds. What is this mass expressed in kilograms? So we know we're going from pounds to kilograms. And in order to do that, we need to know what our conversion factor is. So we should know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. And in order to solve this problem, we can just set up our two proportions and cross multiply. So we have 45 pounds is equal to X kilograms. That's what we're solving for. And we know that 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. So we can cross multiply, and what do we get? And to solve for X, we'll have to divide everything by 2.2. On this exam, you're going to have an on-screen scientific calculator. So you'll just plug in 45 divided by 2.2, and you'll get your answer of 20.5 kilograms. So if we go back to our answer choices, we can clearly see that the correct answer is C, 20.5 kilograms. Our next question here reads, the volume of a water jug is 5 gallons. What is this volume expressed in milliliters if there are approximately 3.785 liters in each gallon? So this question is asking us to go from gallons to milliliters. And it's telling us that 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liters. So in order to solve this problem, we need to go from gallons to liters, but then we also need to go from liters to milliliters. So let's write out our conversion factors so that we know what we're working with. The problem tells us that 1 gallon is 3.785 liters, and we should know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So with those two conversion factors handy, we can now solve this problem. When we have this set up here, that's going to help us get out of. When we have this set up here, we can get out of gallons and into liters. And then we'll do one more, where we're going to put 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. That's going to help us get out of liters and into milliliters. So on this exam, because you have an on-screen calculator, you're just going to be doing 5 times 3.785 times 1,000, and that's going to give you your answer. So when you do that, you should see that your answer is 18,925 milliliters. So if we go back up to our answer choices, we can see that the correct answer is C. 5 gallons is equal to 18,925 milliliters. All right, for our third and final question, it reads, if the length and width of this object shown were measured using the metric system, which is the most appropriate measurement? So when we look at our answer choices, we should immediately be able to rule out B because inches is not part of the metric system. It's part of the imperial system. So that's not relevant. Now between A, C, and D, the most appropriate measurement, well, A is going to be too big. Meters are too big for this object. And between C and D, millimeters are too small. Centimeters are going to be the best fit. Centimeters, or answer choice D, is going to be the most appropriate measurement for this object shown. I hope this was helpful, and if you're looking for more ways to study, you can check out our other videos here on YouTube and make your way over to study.com where you can check out our Praxis test prep courses. As a study.com member, you get access to hundreds of practice problems, test-taking strategies, and targeted instruction, all of which is going to help you do as well as possible come exam day. With that said, we would love to hear from you. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and let us know down below in the comments if there are other things you would like us to cover. Until next time, good luck and happy studying.